Hi, hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. So, generally you wear woolen clothes like sweater during winter season. In the same way, cotton clothes in the summer season. Have you ever observed in the woolen clothes and the cotton clothes, what is the change? In the same way, for different seasons, why should we wear different types of clothes? What is your answer? So, woolen clothes are generally made up of animal fibers, isn't it? So, what do? They generally make you feel warm when you wear them. How will be the environment in the winter? In the winter, you have environment cool. Yes or no? Inside of the house itself, you feel the environment cool, so that when you wear woolen clothes like sweater, it makes you feel warm and comfortable. In the same way, in the winter, if you go outside in the sun, how do you feel the environment? It makes you feel warm, isn't it? It will be comfortable. In the same way, in the summer, how do you feel? It will be hot. Even if you stay inside the house also, it will be hot, isn't it? So, if you wear cotton clothes made up of plant fibers, it will be comfortable for you as they absorb sweat, isn't it? Especially compared to dark colored cotton clothes, if you wear light colored cotton clothes, they make you feel more comfortable. Why is it so? Have you ever asked your parents, or do you want to learn now? If you want to learn all these, you have to study heat chapter. So now we will see in the heat chapter. So there are certain objects which you generally use in your day-to-day life. All these objects, check them and tell them whether they are cold or warm or hot. Now see here, ice cream, it is cold, isn't it? And spoon in a teacup, it is warm. In the same way, fruit juice, it is also cold. Handle of a frying pan. If frying pan, generally nowadays it is made up of plastic, isn't it? If it is plastic, you don't feel it hot or warm. If it is made up of any metal like steel or aluminium, you feel it is hot only. That's why let us assume that our frying pan has handle with a metal. So I am taking warm or hot. Okay. So like this, some of the day-to-day objects you find out in your classroom and also in your house, and make a table like this whether they are cold or hot. Now, how do you understand whether they are cold or hot? By simply touching, isn't it? If you just touch, you will feel whether they are cold or hot. In the same way, can you just feel and tell exactly whether it is cold or hot? Sometimes you may feel when object is hot and also cold at the same time. Let's see the activity in the next video. Okay. Now for this video, you just make like this one table with the objects. What do you generally see in your day-to-day life? Thank you. This is the introduction for heat chapter. Please subscribe and like, share with your friends, those who are studying class 7 Cbse.